start backing up. It's like
It's an overload of cute guys.
I'm just waiting for their heads to turn all the way around like this, going.
Anniversary. There you go. Is that 5? Is that what we're
Yep.
I don't know. Are we up to 5? Yes. Or are we up to 4? 4. We did 5. Oh, we only have the 4th anniversary we just had, right? Okay. Yes.
Math, not our strong suit.
Say something.
Something. Are you taking video?
Would you like to say anything?
No.
Okay.
Okay. That was 18th. We've been around for a bit.
Ishi, pose.
You see she going.
Come on. Look excited. Look excited. It's just video. That's going to go onto YouTube.
Hey, YouTube. We got some flavor. I know. Is that what made you want to come? Yeah. I was like, I want to hear Tatum's commentary. Dude, you missed some of the good ones when I was a lot angrier. The whole me raping people thing was great.
I missed that.
No, I always like say what I would do if I ever met Yasu. I would just bend them over and make them like a little bitch.
I missed the exam. Let me take it from the other side.
Yeah, we wouldn't be that hard. I'm not really into guys, but I'd make it. I will.
I'm saying I think even other.
See, that's the thing. I've only seen tiny pictures of them. All I know is like the one thing.
She's just so.
One impression I got from
I
everybody
can
was
see her just going. Remember, if your parents are Republicans, they're bad.
good description.
And having kids go home and tell this to their parents.
Yeah, you know, just like a big Pillsbury.
She's the kind of Democrat that other Democrats go, whoa, who let her out?
People. Yeah. But
Who let her be the spokesman for the group? No, put her in the corner. Right in the corner.
My favorite thing to do is defend W to her.
Yeah. My favorite thing. You just like watching the Vader kid throb.
Pretty much.
Yeah, I was there.
That's cool.
Okay.
It has